Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Blackboard. Today we're going to see ways you can save and load documents. So right now we've got one page. Let's add a few pages, let's say 6 pages, and add a few things on these pages. So on the second page, let's add an ellipse and fill it with some color. On the third page, let's add a pentagon that is filled with green, for example, and we change the fill color to green and apply this fill color. On the next page, we write hello. On the fifth page, we add an image on the first page. So we go to the desktop, we select the image. So we're just changing things on our Blackboard document. That's just to show you that you can save your changes. Here, let's add an irregular polygon, something like this. So now we have our document, and if we want to save it, we click on this button here, and it says save your document as a BBD file. BBD is just the custom format that we use to save our documents. So click on this button and go where you want to save your document. And you can see right now that it is in this location, and the default name is here, and it just takes the time and tries to use the current time to generate a unique name for your document. So if you want to give it another name, just do it, and Blackboard document. And hit save, and right now our document is saved. So we're going to close out of Blackboard and load it again, and you can see that we have our content here. So close the document, and to open your document again, there are 2 ways you can do that. One is to open Blackboard and use this button here that says open BBD document. Click on it and go where you saved your document. In my case, it is this location here, and my document is here. I open it, and everything we had is in our document. So the second way is to double click on the document. We're going to close out of Blackboard right now and come to this document. Double click on it, and it says import successful. You successfully imported your document, and this is another way to open your document. Instead of double clicking, you can also right click and hit open, and it just opens your document the same way you did. Another thing I'd like you to see is that you can save your document under a different name. So right now we had the document saved as Blackboard document, and to save it under another name, you click on this button here, and it says save as. Okay, and that's exactly what it does. You know, so we say Blackboard Blackboard other document, and you save it like this. And if you go there, you have your document saved under a different name. This is how you save and load your documents. So just to show you that the document saved under another name can also be opened, we close out of Blackboard and double click on this document, and you can see that we have exactly the same contents as we did before. And you can do things on top of this document. For example, let's change this field color to another color, and let's make it like this. Use a gradient, yeah, and close this Zongothan, hit save, close out of Blyboard, open this document again, and you can see that the changes we had are preserved. I hope this shows you how to work with the save and budding things inside Blyboard, and I'll see you in the next videos.